policy initiatives for around regulatory simplification or better expansion, market expansion and integration?
Thank you for the question, Devashish. Good morning, everyone. I think the NTP 2025 is beautifully timed. We are talking about Viksit Bharat and we are talking about the 2047 timeline. So in the next 22 years, there is a lot to be done. And the policy framework, as it stands today, sets the pace and ground for a very robust development, a very robust roadmap ahead. So if I just cite one of RBI's 2024 reports, which very boldly calls out that all over the world in various economies, the digital economy contributes to about 10% of national GDP. But in India, the contribution is almost double. It's more than 20% of national GDP, which is dependent on the digital economy. I think that comes with a lot of responsibility for all of us. And that's what excites passion, that's what excites innovation, that's what excites boldness in all the players, all the different stakeholders who have a role to play towards this. So NTP, well-timed, Viksit Bharat 47, a great goal, and the journey is going to be very, very action-packed. Having said that, and the previous speakers did speak about it, there is one, with all this excitement, a number of parameters which need a little bit of alignment and restructuring. You mentioned regulatory refinery. So we need to refine a few things, and that's why constant engagement with the government becomes super important. One of the things was the investments, the cost of doing business, rationalization of levies, things we've been talking about for quite some time. But one point I'd just like to speak about is responsibility. Right? While we understand, being humble, that it is our shared responsibility in this room, this digital Viksit Bharat cannot be achieved only with our part doing our share of work. It's a larger responsibility. There's a whole big digital economy as well, which is contributing in some ways, but